Good day, everyone. I came downstairs and I noticed there was water everywhere dripping out of this pipe here. Well, I didn't notice it right away, but I looked around like, where's the water coming from? And well, I'm looking at this is a pipe that comes from my kitchen sink, drains down, and I see, well, I mean, there was a repair done, and looks like it was done with tape. Not a good thing, because there's water everywhere. Got on all kinds of things down on the floor here, making a big mess. So what I'm going to show you in this video, we're going to replace a section of ABS pipe. This is just standard 1.5 inch ABS. So I'm going to replace probably about 4 feet of it. And the reason I'm going to do about 4 feet, because I can come back here. There's another joint here. I'm just going to cut it off there at that joint, just past it. Might as well eliminate a joint rather than have another one, and cut it off just ahead there. So I'll show you everything you need to know, the whole procedure. It's very easy. You know, sometimes you see repairs that just make you scratch your head. So let's go ahead and I'll show you what you need to do here. So before we get started, I should show you how to actually how you join pipes together. So basically I have my new pipe here I'm going to put in. It's actually an old new pipe, so it needs some cleaning. And this is a coupler that you'd use to hook the pipes together. So you put this on here, and then the new pipe, or whatever, the old pipe, new pipe, whichever, then it would also fit into there. So you join the pipe, because, you know, we're going to cut out a piece. But the first thing you need to do, you need to clean this off. Especially, you don't always have to, but especially if it is sort of an old pipe that looks a little bit dirty and stuff, you want to make sure it's nice and clean. So this is basically it's a cleaner, an ABS cleaner, but you know, it's really basically acetone. So just get this out and put that on the pipe, work it around a bit. Take a paper towel and just clean it off. Give it a quick clean. Acetone, actually, I'm going to do this again. Acetone will actually, it will start melting this this material. So give it a quick clean. Same with the inside of this. Give it a quick wipe. So we're all set. We clean this end and we clean this, and now, so pay attention, because you're going to have to repeat this process as you're replacing the pipe. I'm not going to go over this each time after I cut out the section and stuff. So, and basically you have to use ABS. I don't know, I'm using yellow ABS cement, and basically just put a coating on the outside of the pipe, and then put a coating on the inside, and then put it together, quickly put it together, press it hard into place, because it will bond up right away. I mean, these things are basically, once you do this, it's pretty much ready to go. If you need to use it, it's going to be ready to go right away. You don't have to wait for hours and hours or anything. So I'm just going to put a coat on there, put a coat on the outside of the pipe here. Don't skimp on it. Push it together, give it a few turns, let it sit, and it will be it'll be good. I just went back and there's a little bit of excess that got into the other side here. Just gonna wipe that out. Looks good. And while I'm at it, actually, I'm gonna clean the inside of this joint here. A little bit of acetone again. Spin it around, wipe it out quick, and you're good. Alright, so I'm going to go up and we'll cut out that piece of pipe, and I'll show you how to do that. It's pretty easy to do. Okay, so this is the first piece we're going to cut out. Make sure you don't cut any wires or anything, or pipes. Try to cut it nice and straight. Oh, that was gross actually. As I cut this out, the other end, it totally fell off. Wow, big mess there. All right. A little bit more nasty. Okay, so here, so when I cut that one end off, it just separated all on its own because it looks like they've had some sort of weird doodad joint or something up there. So let's cut that off and then we can move forward. I kind of laid, this is the new piece I'm going to put here, so it's just sitting up here right now, but this is the one we're looking at, so we need to cut this off. I was going to cut it further back, but I'm going to go right here. There we go, and it's just nasty, eh? Oh well. Okay, well, so what we're gonna do now, just basically I'm gonna clean this up. I'll put an end on there, a coupler, and then I'll get this cut to size. I'll show you when I do that. Basically when you cut it, you put that coupler on and you cut this pipe a little bit long, and then there'll be enough play, you'll be able to move it back and forth a bit, usually anyway, to fit the coupler in. And then we'll be done, but okay, we'll keep moving. Okay, so I cleaned this off with the acetone on the outside. I have my coupler here, and let's go ahead, get some of the yellow ABS glue on here. There we go. And I'll put a little bit on the inside here. And get that pushed together really well. There we go. Good stuff. All right, on to the next step. I'm going to go put the coupler, no, I already have that on, so we'll get the pipe cut and we'll fit it in here. I'll show you that next. Okay, again, I dry fitted the one end in here, or sorry, whoops, it's right here. This one here. I know the lighting's not that great. And then, as I said, I'm gonna mark this and bring it down to cut it. Just be easier because I'll be able to do a nice straight cut. But I just want to show you, so there's that edge in there. It goes in about half an inch. Let me get some light here. Okay, so anyways, you want to cut this so it's about a little bit longer so it would fit into there. So I'm just taking a piece of chalk where will work, and it's about that deep. So I'm just going to mark that there. We'll bring this down and we'll cut it off there, and that should work out good. So let's give it a try. All right, I connected the one end, and I'm just going to finish up to show you how to do the final fitting here. And basically, this is the hardest one to do because of course you have that overlap, so you have to use a little bit of power and move things around, bend them a bit, and you should be able to get it to fit in. So let's go ahead, put some glue in here. Not sure if you'll be able to see this, but again, just put some around in there. Also put some on the outside of this other pipe here. Make sure you get it all around. There we go. And let's get it into place here. Okay. I think that's good. Well, it's bonded. So, at this point, I'm just gonna go and check to see if there's any leaks. And I mean, if it is leaking, unfortunately, there's no easy solution. You could possibly use a bit of silicone or something, but that's not a solution. You probably just have to, you know, if it's leaking out a joint, chop it out, replace it. Same idea. No way around it. Anyways, hope you liked the video. Take care. Like, subscribe, come back for more.